Roll on highway, roll on along. Roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on crew. Roll on mama like I asked you to do. And roll on 18-wheeler, roll on.
Well, she's leading her double life again. We think our brand new thermostat is sticking on us. It's overheating quickly and blowing water out. And I can't tell there's anything wrong with the engine. The way it's acting, I believe it's our thermostat. So, we're gonna do a roadside
I think I'm not happy about how close to this thermostat I have to be.
Thermostat is behind that little square box with 4 bolts in it. It's extremely easy to access. So for you shops that wanted to charge me $160 to change the thermostat, plus the cost of the thermostat, the paperwork princess is about to show you how badly you were trying to rip us off.
And get burnt in the process.
She's doing that. Check out the scenery. Right there is a snow fence. This causes snow drifts there, prevents it from coming out on the road quite so badly. Three down, 1 to go. There's no pressure.
Exactly.
So just radiator side.
What?
No pressure.
Because there's no actual water in the top part of the system.
Okay, all 4 bolts out. And right there is the thermostat. Careful with that. We don't have another one. Just leave that on there.
It's broken already.
I know.
I'm not about to just reach up and grab the thermostat.
You have gloves on.
With holes in them because somebody works through them.
Okay. I'll do it. Wheat squares, toasted cereal is good for more than just eating. You can see here, this has to be watertight, which it is obviously not. So, I've laid it on the box, drawn a picture around it. I'm going to cut it out, and we're going to use it for a gasket. Well, folks, there's a cereal box gasket right there. I'm not sure if the thermostat was an issue or not, but it was the quickest, easiest thing to try. So, we'll see what happens. Get that tightened down, fill the system back up, and give it a try.
What's up, y'all? So, Bobby's nowhere to be found. I don't really know where he is. But he wanted to drain the radiator before dark, so that's what I'm working on. And like, I'm not the most mechanically inclined individual, and I couldn't find the drain plugs. I pulled the bottom radiator hose to drain it. It worked just as well. Now I got to put it all back together and fill it back up, I guess, because I don't think he's coming around anytime soon. So, check back with you.
Okay guys, so I think we finally got the issue with the overheating fixed. It ended up being that lower radiator hose. You see, right there, it's cracked. Split on the inside, as you can see, is not lined up with on the outside. So just slowly escaping through the housing hose, lining of the hose. Cool thing about this Mack and most other large commercial vehicles is they have a low coolant shutoff, which in this case is this little sensor right here. When the water level gets down to here, it gives me about a 30-second warning and it'll turn the truck off driving down the road. So it never allows the truck to actually overheat in a dangerous capacity. So apparently what was going on was I had an airlock in the engine, which is pretty rare in this truck. I've had a few water leaks before where it's gotten low and run warm, and I get out and add some coolant to it, get back in, let it sit and cool for a bit. You can watch the water temperature or the coolant temperature drop. You can also watch the oil temperature drop along with the coolant temperature. But in this case, yesterday, the coolant temperature would begin to drop, but the oil temperature wouldn't drop, which is why I thought that the thermostat right there behind that housing might be stuck and allowing the coolant temperature out here in the radiator to cool, but not the internal engine temperature. So I removed the thermostat on the side of the road, and that actually helped a little bit, but didn't solve the problem. And what it did allow me to do was get water to circulate better, and it did allow it to run just a little bit cooler. So I finally decided, I think what was happening is this little culprit right here was actually allowing the engine to suck air into it, creating an airlock. Which is why the symptoms were different than any time in the past when I've had a issue with the temperature running a little hotter than it should. So at any rate, I finally got enough water added into it yesterday that it kind of leveled out and began running at a normal but low temperature, and low because there was no thermostat to regulate the temp. So last night when we stopped at the Petro station just above Denver on 25, it's a gravel parking lot and there was nothing left in the system but water anyway. So we just drained the water out, pulled the old hose off, put the new hose on it, filled it back up, and I've been running all day long now with the temperature operating perfectly. As you can see, it's kind of dirty in there, all nasty looking. I've got to get it cleaned up now that there is no more coolant leak. But one more roadside repair that didn't cost a lot other than the price of this hose and some new coolant, which it was probably time for a coolant flush anyway. So we are back on the road again. I'll keep the greasy side down and keep between the lines.
Roll on highway, roll on along, roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on crew, roll on mama like I asked you to do, and roll on